folded asana. Distribute the weight of the body evenly between your feet, between the toes and the heels. Visualizing the pelvis, lifting the rib cage, drawing the shoulders down away from the ears. And let's step on the left foot. Feel the weight of the body on the center of the foot. Pelvis is parallel to the floor, facing forward. Place the right foot on your shin or on the inner side of your left thigh. Make sure that the pelvis remains parallel with the floor, facing forward. Neutral. The right knee is opening to the side. Feel the external rotation of your right hip joint. Lifting the rib cage, extending the spine, drawing the navel in. Draw the shoulder blades down. Spread the shoulders away from each other. Push with the palms towards each other. Anjali Mudra in front of your chest. Gaze in one point in front of you. And whenever you find your balance, extend the crown of your tree, the palms over your head. Do not squeeze the ears with your shoulders. Keep the shoulders nice, externally rotating. And there are a few options where you can place your palms. You can just spread them away from the body, externally rotating the shoulders. Don't forget about your pelvis. Don't nudge the spine. Don't twist the pelvis to the side. And make sure your shoulders are aligned. And if you want to make it more difficult, just close your eyes. It's not so easy. Find your balance, find your inner peace. And repeat the other side.